Hello guys, what is happening? Here I am in Calgary right now. It's around -3. Absolutely bizarre weather. I mean, look at the trees behind me. The leaves are still on the trees. We had 32 centimeters of snow at the weekend. We were literally snowed in all weekend. And I just can't believe the amount of snow we had. Now, this storm that passed through has dumped 4 feet of snow on Montana, and it's just absolutely nuts, guys. So, yeah, I hope they're okay down there. Hey guys, how's it going? Here I am in the snow in September. Okay, it is the last day of September, and I'm gonna forgive Calgary for this one because it packs an amazing beauty. When you come out after the storm, the clouds are clearing to blue sky, and it always is like that here. It's always just a stark contrast between these storms. And we got a lot of snow, don't get me wrong, but there is something so beautiful about it. I've never seen trees with the leaves still on, like autumn hasn't come yet, and snow on the ground. Like, insane. These are all deciduous trees. And all around you, like, they're not even that green. I mean, they've got an orange tinge to them, but they're pretty green still. But yeah, so that storm went through, and that was pretty crazy. But I just wanted to show you guys, even though shit happened, and we might be a laughing stock in some sense of the country because people are like, winter is coming to Calgary or whatever. But there's huge amount of beauty in it. Like, look at it. And you know what snow does as well? It's like a sound insulator. It makes things so quiet. Just like the snow muffles all the sound. It's really nice and relaxing. Anyway, you guys, I will see you.